Hello, friends. Namaskar. Good evening. Welcome you all to another enlightening episode of Revival Sutra Sunday. यहाँ हम बात करते हैं spirituality और mind body spirit alignment की, which is important for your self discovery and your holistic well-being. So, I am your host Sangeeta, an occult healing therapist, a spiritual coach, and the founder of Arcade Universe. And it's my pleasure to welcome you all to this interesting episode once again. We all have heard that हमेशा हमें होप रखना चाहिए, हमें आशावादी होना चाहिए, और ये भी सुना है हमने कि हमें किसी एक्सपेक्टेशन सेट नहीं करना चाहिए, किसी से कुछ उम्मीद लगा के बैठना नहीं चाहिए. So then there is a very narrow difference between this hope and this expectations. So hope brings some positivity and but is it wrong to keep an expectation? So let's understand this today. So here we are going to uncover a very interesting topic of expectations. How to set your expectations right. So expectations are rooted in anticipation and often it is very much tied up to some specific outcomes, while hope is more of optimism, more is regarding any circumstance. But both play a very significant role in shaping human experiences and perceptions. So let's understand it in depth from our today's guest, Tejal Bansali. Welcome you, Tejal, to Revival Sutra Sunday.
Hi. I'm so glad, very thankful basically to you for inviting me and letting me share the experience that I have been having since past 20 years. And the topic hai aaj ka, expectations. That is something which was start of my career. So I can actually give immense of things what people are going through, and you can ask me anything.
Looking forward. So let me give you a background. So Tejal Bansali is a psychic and holistic healer, practicing different modalities for more than 2 decades now. She specializes in access bar, talk therapy, chakra balance, and much more. So once again, welcome you. I'm so happy to see you here, Tejal.
Thank you so much, Sangeeta ji. Thank you so much.
It's all my pleasure.
So what is the today's topic? It is like you just said, that hope and expectation.
Yes.
So yes. What do you think? What do you think, that do you need to keep expectations or not?
So I feel it's very much being a human, expectation rakhna to is a very much normal, and it is very much connected. Agar hum kuch kar rahe hai, so it's not everything cannot be unconditional. So if आजकल बहुत सुनने में आता है कि unconditional love should be unconditional, you cannot keep any expectation from, but how can it be possible? Is it practically possible? So this question always comes up in mind. ये जो unconditional love है, is it not conditioned already? What do you say?
It is. And सबसे गलत बात है that people tell that you are not supposed to keep expectation. You are actually supposed to keep expectation. Without expectation, कुछ भी नहीं होता. Even a mother doesn't love a child without expectation. वो answer back करता है तो बोलती है, I didn't expect that you will answer me back. So you have to keep expectations, because मेरे हिसाब से ना expectations के बाद ही reality check मिलती है आपको relationships की.
So any relationship is like a two-way thing. It's like a two person involved in any kind of relationship. It's like a not necessarily husband wife of any partner, mother father, or with child, anything. Even our expectation can be from our work, so our environment related, our society related, anything and everything. So whenever the two individuals, two bodies are involved, so it always has to be some mutual give and take kind of thing. So therefore the expectations come. So how I don't see that there's something wrong if expectations to keep an expectation, but maybe we need to understand setting up it right way. So that's why I have like invited you to make the, throw some light in this.
For sure. I'll be glad. So
first let's start with like defining expectations from your own experiences and like your viewpoints. What do you say for anyone? What is actually expectation we are talking about?
Expectations is basically what actually you are lacking in your life. So the things that you lack, you expect that from other people, right? So तभी हम expect करते हैं. When you lack something, you expect that from an opposite person.
जो हमारे पास नहीं है वैसा, you mean to say?
Exactly. हाँ, हमारे पास जिस चीज की कमी होती है ना, हम वो expect करते हैं दूसरा आकर fulfill करे. वो practically possible नहीं होता. जो चीज आपके पास है ही नहीं, कैसे और कोई आकर देगा? वो नहीं हो सकता. और कोई कितना भी दे, आपके अंदर जब तक you are not content with your own self, कोई आपके एक्सपेक्टेशंस फुलफिल कर ही नहीं सकता, बिकॉज वो बढ़ती जाएंगी डे बाय डे. तो देयर इज अ वेरी थिन लाइन बिटवीन एन एक्सपेक्टेशन एंड उम्मीद, जो बोलते हैं. उम्मीद इज अ होप.
That was I was coming to, like hope and expectation, ummeed or expectations may like there's a very narrow thin line. So so these are like very two important words in our life, and we often talk about it. So how they are like similar and how they are different? So
see, hope is one thing. अगर आपको hope होती है and उम्मीद होती है ना, it makes you grow. आपको वो grow कराती है, आपको move on कराती है. Like you have an hope that this thing is going to work out. But अगर आपको expectations होती है ना, तो expectations आपको grow नहीं करने देती. It keeps you waiting then and there. Hope makes you go, and expectation keeps you waiting. वो आपको बढ़ने नहीं देगा. Expectations won't
attach to the outcomes, attach to the particular thing you are like hoping for. Like when you are too much attached to something, some outcome, and so you are hoping to materialize. That is your expectation.
Definitely. See, अगर hope होगी ना, तो आप उस चीज के लिए वर्क करोगे. पर एक्सपेक्टेशन होगी ना, तो आप एक्सपेक्ट करोगे कि दूसरा कोई आके वर्क करे.
वो हो जाए,
राइट? हाँ, वो अपने आप हो जाए. वो एक्सपेक्ट करो कि वो हो मेरे साथ. पर होप में आप खुद वो वर्क करोगे. तो होप मेक्स यू एंड कीप्स यू गोइंग, बट एक्सपेक्टेशन कीप्स यू वेटिंग. So I always prefer hoping rather than expectation.
Very true.
Always good to hope rather than to expect.
Yes, means hope can motivate you to take some actions.
It's practical to tell that you shouldn't expect. You should expect actually, but you should know the right way.
Correct. Exactly. Yeah. So as like different people have like different ways, like too many different perspectives of setting expectation. Is it even possible to define and set a kind of correct kind of expectation? How to set your expectations right or correct way then?
Exactly. See, this is what all the relationships, all the वो तेरा जो जिंदगी की जद्दोजहद, you call it that in Hindi, is actually with expectations. Morning से शुरू होकर रात तक ना, you keep on just fighting between those two. So setting right expectation is actually being human with your own self, your inner self. आप अगर goal set करोगे, set your goals right, and your बोलते हैं ना, जो targeted इतने होते हैं कि नहीं, I should expect only this much. You should be actually very clear with your thoughts, and not at the stake of your self-esteem. हम इतना एक्सपेक्ट करते और इतना कर जाते हैं सामने वाले के लिए, या जिनसे हमें उम्मीद है, जिनसे हमें एक्सपेक्टेशंस है, सो हम इतना कर जाते दैट वी फॉरगेट आवर ओन सेल्फ, आवर ओन आइडेंटिटी. उनको खुश करने के चक्कर में, व्हाई? बिकॉज वी वांट वैलिडेशन फ्रॉम देम. उनको हम अच्छे लगने चाहिए, पर हम खुद को अच्छे लग रहे हैं? हम खुद के लिए क्या कर रहे हैं? बेसिकली आप अपनी प्रायोरिटी सेट करो खुद के लिए.
Yeah, so first you be comfortable with yourself first and set the priority, what is important for you, what you like, what you want. So your expectation from yourself first, set it right. Then only you can go to others asking for it, right? Well, interesting. And so, because when as expectations doesn't meet up in many cases when something goes wrong, so क्या हो सकता है? So like no threat part of it. Like, is there any way at all that to set the right way that it will not ever go wrong? मतलब threat नहीं आएगा, so that अगर कोई expectation किसी का पूरा ना हो तो उसको कैसे handle किया जाए?
देखो, the first threat that comes when you keep expectation is depression. And that hidden depression isn't slow poison, you know. It kills you slowly, day by day. It is the most horrifying thing a person can go through. I really pity all the people, all the clients of mine since years. Even I myself, I was a victim, you can say, of expecting from others.
I think we
Because
all go through the same thing at one point.
definitely. However, you need to be very grateful to expectations. मतलब उन्होंने वो जिंदगी की सच्चाई दिखाई, क्योंकि हमें प्रॉपर डायरेक्शन मिला, प्रॉपर पाथ मिला, और डिप्रेशन से निकलकर यहाँ तक आना, वेर यू टू मोटिवेट पीपल, इज अ लॉन्ग जर्नी. सबसे बड़ी थ्रेट होती है दैट यू लूज योर ओन आइडेंटिटी. आपको खुद को भी नहीं पता होता, दे देकर व्हाट यू आर. You lose yourself, and there is not a bigger threat than that. You at times क्या हो जाता है, किसी और को जो कलर पसंद है ना, हम कलर भी वही पहनना शुरू कर देते हैं. We don't even remember what is our own favorite color.
True.
And अगर उनको वो लिपस्टिक नहीं पसंद तो हम नहीं लगाते, उनको खुले बाल नहीं पसंद तो हम बाल बांधते हैं, उनको बंधे हुए बाल नहीं पसंद तो हम खोलते हैं. बट तुमको खुद को क्या पसंद है? So you should be very clear, you know, the major threat is just losing yourself, your own smile. You want to laugh out loud, but people around don't like to listen that loud laughter, so you just smile. Laughing loudly is something that it's you, you know, it defines you.
Exactly.
So when you start living for others just for the validation of नहीं यार उनको मैं अच्छी लगूंगी, but by the end of it बोलते यार क्या है यार, she's such a boring person, she's not, you know, मजा ही नहीं आती.
People even forget like no choice of food. किसी को अगर like कुछ खाना पसंद है वो नहीं खाते लोग, जो दूसरा someone else she wants to see happy, that person को जो पसंद है कि आप वही मंगा लो types.
And आप नोट करना संगीता जी, आप जितना करते जाओगे दूसरों के लिए against your choices, and उसमें ना by the end of it ना रात को आप irritable रहोगे, you won't be happy. So people are like, तो कर, why are you doing it? You ask yourself, and why are you, you know, you are doing it just for one single line that no, you are good. You're not being good to your own self, your inner self. If you be good to your inner self, na, it would be like, oh my God, you'll be like glowing and not compromising with your.
Yeah, that's what, like, you are not prioritizing yourself, your own needs, and like compromising your thing and overdoing for the other.
Yes, you are overdoing, and just for one thing, सिर्फ अच्छा सुनना है. क्यों अच्छा सुनना है? खुद अच्छे हो खुद के लिए. अब खुद को अच्छा बोलो ना. जब आप खुद के लिए अच्छा नहीं कर सकते, खुद को अच्छा नहीं बोल सकते, दूसरे क्या बोलेंगे?
Exactly.
Right? You can't give from an empty cup, Sangeeta ji. You need to be filled with love.
When you are not comfortable with yourself, when you are not okay with your own choices, तो like expectation रख नहीं सकते कि
again see now here it comes, you know, you took the very right word, the choice. Even by the end of the day, if you are feeling a victim, it is not anybody else's mistake. We just keep on blaming others. It is our choice to do since morning. Whatever we are doing it is completely our choice. Nobody has told us.
Exactly.
So if we are doing it is our own choice. Nobody else is supposed to be blamed for it.
Yeah, so
if you are unhappy,
choice, and you have to take the onus of it as well.
Exactly. So if you are unhappy, nobody else is responsible for it. It is just you who is responsible for it.
Absolutely.
Yeah, absolutely. Actually, if anybody has a question, I can have a long debate over it. Because
Sure.
अगर आपने ये कुछ नहीं पहना, right, तो उस इंसान ने नहीं बोला था, आपने अपनी मर्जी से, वरना you should have an see the best tip that I can give, that how to expect it right, and what is the way that you can expect is be clear with your words and communication, और उससे भी ज्यादा be clear with your thoughts, what you want, right? अगर आपको होगा, and if you put it in a right way to the person that you expect from, if at all you want, okay, तो आप अगर उनको क्लैरिटी दोगे ना, तो उनको आइडिया भी रहेगी, उनको पता भी रहेगा these are the things that you are not liking it.
Exactly. So for this, do you think for getting this clarity wala part, so should we set some goals for ourselves rather than like setting first the expectations?
Goals, so definitely yes. Goals should be there, because you can't achieve anything in a day. Be it being clear, be it for being positive in thoughts, be it positive with your communication, anything. The journey starts from being positive and thinking positive. Okay, so ऐसा नहीं कि पूरा पूरा दिन आपको positive सुनना है, but goal set करने हैं, and you should actually wait for the process. ये process है, एक दिन में you can't fulfill anything. So if you set a goal, day by day, slowly, it's a process. And जब वो process में हो जाएगा, वो आपकी habit बन जाएगा. And once you make a habit of being clear, once you make a habit of being clearly and very positively communicative, like things you don't like, you can tell it in a nice way. Yeah, please, I'm not comfortable, I won't do it, I don't like it. So it won't hurt person. You are not hurting anybody, but you are protecting your own self-esteem. क्योंकि नहीं तो रात तक तो आपकी खुद की सेल्फ एस्टीम चकनाचूर हो जाती है.
हाँ, तब तक रात तक बैटरी एकदम नेगेटिव में चला जाएगा.
Exactly, and that's the reason that you are feeling so drained all the time, and taking all the boja on your head. It isn't.
So right.
We all are capable of doing everything, but setting it right for our own self and our own self-esteem. You start protecting yourself for a day, you will love it.
I'm sure, because we all have come through this journey. I can relate very much.
Very sure the ladies listening out there, they might be actually seeing themselves कि यार हम लोग तो क्या क्या करते हैं, but वो खुद के साथ क्या कर रहे हैं. Ladies, love yourself, please love yourself.
Even men also, I have seen, like, when they also like because of balancing the things, work and home, and then in-laws and all the things, they just mother and wife, especially that balancing the both person, so they get become the sandwich and they get drained like anything. I've seen like multiple cases in that way.
One thing I'll tell all the ladies out here, that if you don't want, like you just want your husband to understand and to listen, then don't tell him. बोलने के लिए, सुनाने के लिए, सुनने के लिए ना, you have your friend, so do that. Only if you want your husband to take action for something, tell that time, because husband or any men, you can say, they feel handicapped if they are just told and not allowed to do anything. हम पता क्या बोलते हैं, अपने सुन लो, मैं कुछ करने नहीं बोल रही हूँ, right? नहीं, वो क्यों सुनेगा, उसको कुछ करना है तो वो सुनेगा ना, वरना मत बोलो.
वही, but yeah, especially in ladies have this means even I am included in most of the part, like we have the habit of sharing and talking. We just need at some point कि कोई सुन ले, हमें कुछ चाहिए नहीं, we just want someone to just listen to us and do nothing about it.
Last person to be shared anything regarding house. I'm telling to all the ladies out here, seriously, उनको बख्श दो, छोड़ दो. It's okay. Just be happy in front of them and all your relationships will be sorted.
I know, okay. That's where like men it goes like what is happening, what do I do?
तो घर आने में भी irritation होती है कि यार अब घर जाके की शुरू हो जाएगा. So makes no sense. And expecting from him to just listen, like if I'm capable of doing something, so only then I'll tell me na, don't, else don't.
That's the main difference of opinion comes, and I will say difference of expectation comes.
You are telling somebody to win a race, but you are not and you are tying that person, but you want that person to win the race. So how that person can win the race, but you have tied that person, right? So it is not possible.
So they're actually setting your expectations right from each other. So be it from the husband or be it from the wife comes, or I'm just not keeping it to husband wife, but any other relation I'm talking about.
Exactly. संगीता जी, I'm just talking कि वो relationship ना toxic नहीं होनी चाहिए. It shouldn't hurt you. मतलब वो इंसान कुछ भी गालियां बक रहा है, ये कर रहा है, वो कर रहा है, you're listening and then also not telling. You're not, it's not matter of raising voice. It's matter of being clear.
So
आपको खुद को
how
होना
to
चाहिए.
set your expectations right for ourselves from others? So I believe there'll be like communication will play a major role in that. And so how do we understand कि हमें कहाँ expectation करना चाहिए, like, and कहाँ पे हमें expectation रखना नहीं है in that way at all?
So when it comes to personal growth, जब आपकी personal growth आती है ना, उसपे you are not supposed to keep expectations from anybody. क्योंकि आपकी पर्सनल ग्रोथ की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी सिर्फ आपकी है. Nobody can work for you the way you can do for yourself. Right?
Definitely.
Nobody can. So उसमें अगर एक्सपेक्ट करे कि यार ये मेरे लिए ये कर देंगे, ये मेरे वो कर देंगे, ये मेरे लिए ये कर लेंगे, no, it is not done. Your clients are your responsibility. Your reports are your responsibility. Your therapies are your responsibility. Everything is your responsibility where it is related to your own growth. आपको करना है तो you can't expect from anybody else.
Very, very true.
Yes. And other expectations that you really need to keep with any person is, letting them breathe and understanding. Basically, आपको भी थोड़ी understanding रखनी चाहिए. You can't just be very, conditioning and putting all the, terms and conditions. However, you need to be very clear that you don't like. See, you can't take it abusing. So you have to be very clear that we are not going to take this shit. Right? We can't take it. And you should be very clear.
Communication plays a very major role in that. So there are people who जिनका communication में problem है, जिनको मतलब बोलना नहीं आता. I think they're largely वहाँ पे बहुत issues start होते हैं. So उनके लिए what do you say? मतलब क्या आप बोलना चाहोगे, कोई एक tips की how they can try to open up first to themselves and then only I think rest of the world can hear them.
सबसे पहले तो they need to think right and सोचकर बोले, but एक ही लाइन बोले. That's it. जरूरी नहीं है that you have to just keep on talking. It's basically feeling for your own self. आपको क्या चाहिए? By the end of it, मतलब इंसान को ना थक नहीं जाते किसी के लिए इतना कर. खुद के लिए कर लो ना इतना. You will start glowing, you will start taking care of yourself, you will love yourself. जितना आप लव करोगे ना खुद को, आसपास के people आपको लव करना स्टार्ट करेंगे, और नहीं भी करे ना तो भी फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
The starting point coming to self love again, like my favorite topic to talk about.
And observation, Sangeeta ji. See, where you can keep expectation is आपको actions पे देखना है लोगों. The thing starts with observation, You should observe that लोग कौन सा इंसान कितनी action ले रहा है. If you are feeling bad about something, वो सिर्फ बोल नहीं रहे हैं, वो कुछ कर भी रहे हैं, right? So unless and until you trust actions and don't trust words, that is first thing which I always believe in, and I have learned from that, क्योंकि लोग बोलते रहते but करते कुछ है नहीं, and you just keep on doing. It makes no sense. Action speaks louder. And once you understand कि वो इंसान सिर्फ बोल रहा है, कुछ कर नहीं रहा, then there is a line that you need to cross a line.
Yeah, I think otherwise there you go wrong, like in your expectations, like. So this may be probably the cause of the issue.
This is the first, this is the first tip that you need to, set for yourself. कि आप देखो अगर कोई कुछ कर रहा है, थोड़े एफर्ट्स डाल रहा है, बिकॉज एवरीबॉडीज लव लैंग्वेज इज डिफरेंट. आपकी अगर लव लैंग्वेज ये है कि भाई मुझे ये चाहिए वो चाहिए, तो किसी और की काफी टाइम लोग ऐसे होते हैं दे लव यू और वो डांटते हैं आपको, गुस्सा कर देते हैं. दैट इज देयर लव लैंग्वेज. तो उसमें भी उनका प्यार छुपा रहता है, राइट? सो इट इज नॉट नेसेसरी दैट पैम्परिंग इज एन ओनली वे ऑफ लविंग इट. So you should understand the opposite person also, because understanding, and the major threat that comes in any relationship is, the constant fights that are there. क्योंकि एक एक्सपेक्टेशन नहीं होता, आपने ये नहीं किया, मैंने तो ये किया, आपने वो नहीं किया, मैंने तो ऐसे किया, so those fights are actually, they are ruining everything. They're ruining your own self, your own relationship, and then things get, worse day by day. So the first technique is to love yourself. खुद को इतना प्यार करो that you don't need much of it. कोई दे तो it is most welcome, nothing like it. And कोई नहीं दे तो फर्क नहीं पड़ता. And the tip that is required is to be very clear, to be a bit communicative in a softer version. Even you don't like being harsh, somebody being harsh with you. तो आप भी आराम से उनको समझा दो. Once it is crossing your line, कि अब नहीं हो पा रहा, don't take toxication. Toxic relationships are really bad. They are life taking. वो मत कर.
So
set your boundaries.
So are there any quick techniques or tips that लोग रोज थोड़ा follow कर सकते हैं, practice कर सकते हैं regularly, which will like benefit them to set their expectations right?
Definitely. See, because मैं इतने सालों से हूँ, तो वो experience का बोलते हैं ना, जो इतने साल से I've been experiencing. The 3-4 things that I've done with myself is, पहले तो gratitude देती हूँ बहुत ज्यादा. अगर किसी ने hurt भी किया ना, तो thanks बोल के, यार मुझे जिंदगी का अच्छा लेसन तो मिला ही मिला. And just don't sulk it. अंदर रो मत. Love for yourself. Second is affirmation, which I normally give in my talk therapy. So I'm there to help people, and in those talk affirmation खुद के लिए, and setting the words right basically. आप जो clear बोलना चाहते हो किसी को, वो. The third thing that we can do is balancing your chakras. Your chakras are like something, these are the techniques that we all have learned as in, the healers, basically the healers healing modality. So balancing your chakras, and when your throat chakra is blocked, you can't just, you feel some lump inside. आपको यहाँ पर थोड़ा भी बात करोगे तो आपको रोना आ जाएगा, and you can't speak clearly.
So yeah, communication clear नहीं होगा, तो वही से expectation again it will go wrong.
Yes. So you need to be very clear, and the quick tip is just smile and learn, and just write it down.
So how the spirituality can actually help expectations set करने के लिए हम हमारे खुद से और दूसरों से भी, like what are the techniques or some guidance you can give?
Yeah. This is one thing which is only spirituality can help in this. Only, मतलब जो experience मेरा है ना इतने सालों से, मुझे लगता था वो spirituality पहले आ जाती, मेरे mentor पहले आ जाती मेरी life में, तो जिंदगी के जो ये फैले हुए रहते हैं वो कभी होते ही नहीं. सबके होते हैं. ऐसा
solution तो बाद में आएगा ना, पहले problem आएगा.
तो ऐसा नहीं that if we are healers then हमारी जिंदगी में नहीं होगा, बहुत होता है ऐसा. However, we have learned the
healing
technique.
is a journey, like we are healers, we also need healing every day. Everyone, every individual needs.
Every day का ना, people need to understand every day it's an इतना process. एक साथ इतना करने मत जाओ. It is very suffocating also, and it is very energy consuming also, because इतने सालों का आपका जो conditioning हुआ है, वो conditioning निकालने में भी time लगता है, right? So the techniques that we learn in this spirituality is first of gratitude, then is self-love, then is basically being very compassionate. First to yourself, खुद से start करो, then give to others, because आप जितना प्यार से बात करोगे, because it is not always necessary to be hard and pushy. Softness actually makes things work better. आप अगर प्यार से बोल दोगे ना, मुझे पसंद नहीं आया, आगे से मत कर. And the way you communicate, basically the most important thing that people and ladies should learn is the way. You can say the major of the things by the way you tell people.
That is why, like, choosing the right words, maybe like as a therapist, you will understand it.
This is what I make, and this is what I give them in my talk therapy sessions. And this is what I make them understand, how things need to be said. You
Exactly.
can say the biggest of the worst of the things to the person in a very normal way.
That
Very
is why
normal way.
ये बोला जाता है like that is why ये बोला जाता है like क्या बोल रहे हो वो इम्पोर्टेंट ज्यादा नहीं है, बट कैसे बोल रहे हो, हाउ यू आर सेइंग इट, that makes all the difference.
Yes, absolutely, absolutely. It makes an immense difference. And excess bars करके एक therapy है, a modality which I practice, and it is something which is very unknown यहाँ पर इंडिया में. It is 32 points located on your brain. So excess bars therapy में ना basically you release all the negative blockages from your body. And all this is like matter of faith. सबको लगता है कि नहीं ऐसा नहीं होता, ये तो क्या है, ये तो if you do with faith, anything is possible. जैसे मूर्ति हम देखें तो वो सिर्फ पत्थर है, बट अपनी फेथ है जो उसको सब बनाती है, राइट? तो हमारी फेथ है which moves the mountains also. So it can actually change. So my basically जब चक्रा बैलेंसिंग होती है ना, जब आप बोल नहीं पाते आपका थ्रोट चक्रा, you need to enhance, you need to balance that. उसके साथ your root chakra is also blocked. Why? Because you fear something. So there are so many different things that are interrelated, completely. That is why I deal with mind, body and soul.
Very much importance, exactly. नहीं तो फिर complete health, completely healthy wellness नहीं आएगा.
नहीं आएगा because you need to be very clear and please अपनी self esteem को मत कुचलो दूसरों की validation के लिए. मैं कैसी लग रही हूँ, पहले खुद को आप अच्छे लगोगे, सबको अच्छे लगोगे. Just be for yourself.
So physical health is not the only one thing. So if your mental, emotional and spiritual सब कुछ align ना हो, balance ना हो, then it is all interconnected. So effect
absolutely. Mentally if you're not well, physically you can never ever be well. Mentally अगर आप अंदर से वो expect करते रहोगे कि मेरे को ये चाहिए, मुझे वो चाहिए, definitely you will start having your stomach issues, your solar plexus issues, your diabetes issues, your digestion issues.
That will manifest.
Everything will be ruined.
Physical issues.
Yes, for sure. If you want attention, you will manifest something wrong for that attention. काफी ladies को आराम चाहिए होता है, right? तो क्या बोल देती है, हाय मैं पूरा दिन आराम करूं, मुझे कुछ काम ना मिले. They do it in a very wrong way. They need to tell that मैं पूरा दिन खुशी से आराम करूं, खुशी में हैप्पीनेस से आराम करूं. बेसिकली बिकॉज अगर आप आराम करो तो आपका पैर भी मुड़ सकता है, पूरा दिन नहीं 4 दिन भी आराम कर सकते हो, बट वो आप दर्द में आराम करो. दैट इज व्हाई यू नीड टू हैव राइट वर्ड एंड क्लियर थॉट्स दैट व्हाट डू यू वांट. मैं खुशी से आराम करूं, अपनी मर्जी से आराम से खाऊं पियूं, मजे करूं, राइट?
मजे करूं, रिलैक्स करूं.
वरना तो बीमार होके भी 4 दिन आप आराम कर सकते.
अगेन इट कम्स टू मतलब वो कौन से फीलिंग से बोल रही है, लाइक बोल रहा है बंदा.
एंड वर्ड,
हाँ,
because words manifest.
Words are energy, so words are spells. Like
so that is why I practice word energy in my talk therapy session. So you need to know.
Yeah, that's
and one thing I was taught by somebody, somebody very close to me. I was taught that हम बोलते ना आप उठ गए, बोलते जाग गए बोला जाता है, उठ गए नहीं, right? So you tell yourself that हम जाग रहे हैं, मैं जागी, मैं इतने बजे उठी. क्यों? उठना क्या होता है?
It's like awakening yourself, inner self or outer self, entire self.
Using of right word, संगीता जी, using of right word. हाँ मैं अभी उठा, अभी जागा, उठा. You imagine, the energy of words matter. Small words.
So right.
Small words.
So right.
Yeah, it does. Yeah.
Wow, Tejal, it was amazing. I think we can go on and on.
So I can definitely, sure.
It is, I think, बहुत लोगों को इससे इस this episode से बहुत सारा understanding thoughts clear होगा, I'm sure. So I have myself also understood lot of things. So it was really, really knowledgeable and really, really enlightening. And thank you so much for bringing it all the knowledge here, sharing with us all here. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Let me recap it for you. So first of all, be clear with your thoughts. आपको चाहिए क्या, अपने feelings को समझो, and then set it right. So you do not need any validations from any other person. First अपने आप से तो validation लो. Be comfortable with yourself first. And be an observer. जहाँ से expectation की बात आए, पहले आप observe करो. Observe the situation, observe the other person जो सामने है, वो क्या एक्शन ले रहे हैं, उनका क्या बिहेवियर है आपकी तरफ, वो क्या चाहते हैं, वो पहले अंडरस्टैंड करो. देन ओनली यू कैन कीप एन एक्सपेक्टेशन. सो वो भी मैं बोलूंगी, पहले अपने आप से एक्सपेक्टेशन रखो, सेट करो. देन ओनली यू कैन हैव द क्लैरिटी कि आपको क्या एक्सपेक्टेशन रखना चाहिए कि नहीं रखना चाहिए. सो and also it is very very important to practice like quick techniques in your daily life which will actually eventually give you the direction कि आप कैसे चलोगे, जहाँ पे आप अपना एक्सपेक्टेशन सारा अपने से और दूसरों से भी रख सकते हो. And it will, you will never be hurt in that way because you are doing in a right way. So Tejal has already shared a lot of techniques, so like gratitude writing, and which is very very powerful, which like immensely helpful. जब भी आप लो में हो, आपका मूड एकदम क्विकली चेंज कर सकता है. Start doing that. Write your affirmations every day. Balance your chakras and like learn more to be compassionate with yourself first. And of course, then only you can be compassionate with others. And अपने way of communication पे ध्यान दीजिए. चूज द राइट वर्ड. आप कैसे बोल रहे हो वो ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है कि आप क्या बोल रहे हो. सो आप अपने वर्ड्स पे, वर्ड्स हैव द पावर टू चेंज एवरीथिंग. इट कैरीज द एनर्जी. सो अपने वर्ड पे ध्यान दीजिए. जस्ट फोकस ऑन हाउ टू स्पीक इट राइटली. Communication is very important to set your expectations correct. And yes, again, keeping expectation is not wrong. Just that you need to set it correctly. राइट. सो अभी हमें बताइए आज कैसा लगा आज का एपिसोड, हमें जरूर बताइएगा. एंड डू लाइक, कमेंट एंड शेयर. और आर्किड यूनिवर्स को फॉलो जरूर कीजिए टू गेट मोर अपडेट्स. और तेजल से कनेक्ट करने के लिए नीचे कमेंट में लिंक दिया गया है. डू डीएम हर एंड गेट योर क्वेरीज सॉर्टेड. सो विद दिस नोट आई टेक योर लीव टुडे. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट संडे with another interesting episode to contribute in your journey. Till then, do take care of yourself and set your expectations right. Good night.